Now, just here you can see the 100mm in there, so it looks like the pipe has dropped down. So I think we're going to have to cut this out and open it up a bit and then reline it. Okay, this is where the pipe has dropped, steered off. You can see the 100mm PVC. Now further up, there's more foam. So we're going to have to cut out the bottom here. We're going to have to cut out this whole top section, get to that foam, cut the foam out, and then reline it.
That's the junction. This is coming from the balcony downstream to that junction. We've cut a fair chunk of that out. We still have foam to deal with, trying to deal with, but that there, whether we trim that up now or leave that as is and just patch through that, what would you, because I mean, no matter what we do, there's going to be a step there, but I mean, we could attempt to have a bit more of a trim up on that side.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is coming from the balcony, coming downstream. Sorry, coming back upstream, sorry. So we're on our way to the hole in the garage. Now we're coming, that's the start of the junction patch. Coming up the branch line. That's the branch line that's all been chopped out with concrete. And it continues on and finishes about there, which is overlapping onto our 1 metre patch, which comes up around the two bends and finishes just there, just downstream of this junction. Lovely.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.